እንደምን አላችሁ ውድ ተማሪዎች። በዛሬው ዕለት የምናየው የ10ኛ ክፍል የባዮሎጂ ትምህርት ዩኒት 2 ጥያቄዎችን አብረን እንሰራለን። ለዛሬ የምናየው ፓርት 2 ጥያቄዎችን ነው። ፓርት 1 ላይ የሰራናቸው ጥያቄዎች አሉ። እዚህ የዩቲዩብ ቻናል ላይ ማግኘት ትችላላችሁ። ዩኒት 2 ፕላንትስ ይላል። እዚህ ፕላንትስ የሚለው ቶፒክ ላይ 110 ጥያቄዎችን አዘጋጅተናል። እነዚህ ጥያቄዎች ለክፍላቸው የፈተና ዝግጅት እንዲሁም ደግሞ ለኢንትራንስ ኤግዛም በቀላሉና በአጭር ጊዜ ውስጥ እንድትዘጋጁ የሚያግዙ ጥያቄዎች ናቸው። ጥያቄዎቹን አብረን እንሰራለን። ለዚህ ዩቲዩብ ቻናል አዲስ ከሆናችሁና ሰብስክራይብ ካላደረጋችሁ ሰብስክራይብ እያደረጋችሁ ቤተሰብ ሁኑ። አብረን እንቀጥላለን። ጥያቄዎቹን የያዘ አጋዥ መጽሐፍ አዘጋጅተናል። ይሄኛው አጋዥ መጽሐፍ ጥያቄዎቹን ከነመልስና ማብራሪያ ጋር የያዘ መጽሐፍ ነው። ይህን መጽሐፍ በፒዲኤፍ ወይም በሶፍት ኮፒ ማግኘት ከፈለጋችሁ እዚህ ጋር በተቀመጡት አድራሻዎች ጻፉልን። አሁን ወደ ጥያቄዎቹ እንለፍ። 31 which part of the root is mainly responsible for storing food and water? Pericycle, endodermis, cortex, paliferous layer. Cortex. So the cortex stores water and food, particularly starch, that helps with the transport of these nutrients. 32 what is the main function of the vascular bundles in the root? A. Storage of food. B. Transport of water and nutrients. C. Protection of the root. D. Production of the new cells. B. Transport of water and nutrients. So the main function of this vascular bundles, vascular bundles is found in the root. So this is used to transport water and nutrients to and from to the root and from the rest of the plants. 33 what is the first step in the reproduction process of the pine trees? Fertilization. B. Seed germination. C. Pollination. D. Pollen tube formation. C. Pollination. Okay, this pollination in the reproduction process of pine trees, pollination is the first step. It occurs when pollen from the male cones is transferred to the female cones, often by the wind ማለት ነው። pollination ብዙ ጊዜ በዊንድ በነፋስ አማካኝነት ይካሄዳል። This process is crucial for the next step in the fertilization. 34 where does fertilization occurs in the reproductive cycle of gymnosperm like pine trees? A. In the pollen grain. B. In the ovule. C. In the male cone. D. In the female cone. B. In the ovule. Okay, so in gymnosperm fertilization occurs in the ovule, which is located in the female cone. After pollination, pollination በኋላ ማለት ነው። the pollen grain grows a tube that delivers sperm cells to the ovule where fertilization occurs. 35 what happens after fertilization in the gymnosperm reproductive cycle? A. Seed dispersal. B. Formation of pollen tube. C. Zygote develops into seed embryo. D. Pollen germination. C. Zygote develops into a seed embryo. Okay, after fertilization in gymnosperms, the sperm cells fuses with the egg cells in the ovule to form a zygote. So zygote then develop into a seed embryo ማለት ነው, which will eventually grow into a new plant. 36 how are seeds dispersed in the gymnosperms? By animals, water, wind, birds. See wind in gymnosperm like pine trees ያልነው ማለት ነው. pine trees seeds are typically dispersed by wind. So the seeds are contained in cones, and once mature, the seeds are released and carried by the wind to the new locations. 37. Which reproductive structure in the female pine cone contains a single large egg? Stigma, archegonium, ovary, anther. B. Archegonium. Okay, the archegonium is the female reproductive structure found in the pine cone that contains single large egg. This is where fertilization takes place in the gymnosperm. 38. What is the male reproductive organ in the flowering plants? Pistil, sepal, ovary, stamen. D. Stamen. Okay, the stamen is the male reproductive organ in the flowering plants. It consists of anther, where pollen, or pollen means the male gametes, is produced, and the filament which holds the anther. 39. Which part of the flower attracts pollinators such as insects? Sepals, petals, stamen, pistil. B. Petals. The petals of a flower are often brightly colored and serve to attract pollinators like insects. Their colors, patterns, and scents guide pollinators to the flower for pollination. 40. Which part of the flower contains the ovule and is involved in seed formation? Ovary, style, anther, filament. A. Ovary. So the ovary is a part of the flower that contains the ovule. This ovule means female gamete. After fertilization, the ovary develops into the fruit, and the ovule develops into seeds. 41. What is the function of the stigma in the flower? Produce pollen, attract pollinators, receive pollen grains. D. Protect the ovary. C. Receive pollen grains. Okay, the stigma is part of the female reproductive organ, the pistil. It has the sticky surface that captures pollen grains from the air, allowing fertilizers to occur. 42. What does the pollen tube do after pollen lands on the stigma? A. Forms a new flower. B. Grows down the style to the ovule. C. Fertilizes the ovule directly. D. Breaks down the ovule. B. Grows down the style to the ovule. Okay, so after pollen lands on the stigma, the female gametes in the germinates and forms a pollen tube that grow down the style toward the ovule in the ovary. This allows the sperm to reach the egg for fertilization. 43. What type of fertilization do flowering plants undergo? A. Simple fertilization, external fertilization, asexual reproduction. D. Double fertilization. D. Double fertilization. Okay, this double fertilization is the type of fertilization found in the flowering plants. So flowering plants undergo double fertilization, where one sperm cell fertilizes the egg cell to form the zygote, and another sperm cell fuses with to another cell to form the endosperm, which is nourishes the developing seed. 44. What does the ovary develop into after fertilization in the flowering plant? Seed, fruit, pollen, germinating seed. B. Fruits. Okay, after fertilization, the ovary of the flowering plant developing into the fruit. The fruit contains the seeds, which will eventually be dispersed to grow new plants ማለት ነው። So this fruit contains the seeds. The seeds are used to grow another new plants. 45. What is the function of the seed disperser? A. To prevent overcrowding of seeds. B. To help the seed germinate. C. To allow seeds to stay close to the parent plants. D. To ensure the seeds are fertilized. A. To prevent overcrowding of seeds. So the seed dispersal helps prevent overcrowding by spreading seeds away from the parent plant. This ensures that each seed has enough space and resource to grow into a healthy plant. 46. What happens during seed dormancy? A. The seed grows into a seedling. B. The seed is inactive and waits for favorable conditions. C. The seed undergoes fertilization. D. The seed breaks down. B. The seed is inactive and waits for favorable conditions. This inactive and waiting for favorable condition is called seed dormancy. During dormancy, seeds remain inactive and do not grow. This state helps them survive unfavorable conditions and wait until the right environmental factors. These right environmental factors are water and temperature that are trigger to germination. 47. Which of the following is true about seed germination? A. It requires only sunlight to start. B. It starts when the seed absorbs water and nutrients. C. It occurs only in the presence of wind. D. It begins once the seed becomes dormant. B. It starts when the seed absorbs water and nutrients. So the seed germination begins when the seed absorbs water and nutrients from the soil, which activates enzymes that start the growth process. The seed then begins to grow or sprout and grow into seedling. 48. What are the three main parts of a seed? A. Embryo seed, seed coat and fruit. B. Radicle, plumule and epicotyle. C. Embryo, cotyledon or endosperm and seed coat. D. Cotyledon, hypocotyle and stoma. C. Embryo, cotyledon or endosperm and seed coat. C. The seed is composed of the embryo. This embryo means the young plant, and the cotyledon or the endosperm, which stores food for the embryo, and the seed coat, which protects the seed. 49. Which part of the seed develops into the future root? A. Epicotyle, hypocotyl, radicle, phloem. C. Radicle. Okay, the radicle. The radicle is the part of the seed embryo that will grow into the root. It is first part of the plant to emerge during the germination. 50. What is the purpose of the cotyledon in the seed? A. To protect the seed. B. To store food for the seed embryo. C. To absorb sunlight for photosynthesis. D. To act as a root anchor. B. To store food for the seed embryo. This is the cotyledon. The cotyledon or endosperm in some seeds store foods that the seed embryo will use until it can perform photosynthesis. 51. What distinguishes a monocot seed from the discot or the dicot seed? A. The number of cotyledons. B. Size of the seed. C. Presence of seed coats. D. Number of seed coats. A. The number of cotyledons. Okay. Monocot have one cotyledon. Okay. While dicots have two. This difference is one of the key characteristics used to classify seeds. 52. Which of the following is a characteristic of the gymnosperm seeds? A. Covered by fruits. B. Have a seed coat only. C. Contain a fruit coat. D. Contain multiple cotyledons. B. Have a seed coat only. So the gymnosperm seeds like pine cones are often referred to as naked seeds because they don't have the fruit surrounding them. Okay, unlike angiosperms, angiosperm means the flowering plants that have seeds enclosed in the fruit. 53. Which agent is responsible for dispersing seeds that are covered in the fleshy fruit? Wind, water, animal, gravity. See, animal. The fleshy fruits are typically eaten by animals, which then disperse the seeds through the defecation at the distance from the parent plant. 54. How do seeds with hairy or winged structure typically disperse? By water, animal, wind, gravity. C. Wind. Okay, seeds with structures like hairs or wings are adapted to be carried by the wind, aiding in their dispersal over large areas. 55. Why is seed dispersal important for plants? A. To increase the size of the parent plant. B. To ensure seeds are spread over a large area for better survival. C. To reduce competition for sunlight. D. To prevent overcrowding in one location. B. To ensure seeds are spread over a large area for better survival. So the seed dispersal helps reduce competition between seedlings and ensure that seeds are spread to areas with suitable growing conditions. 56. Which of the following is not an essential condition for seed germination? Water, oxygen, temperature, light. D. Light. So while light may be important for the growth of the seedlings after germination, The essential conditions for the germination are water, oxygen, and temperature. 57. What is the first sign of seed germination? A. Leaf growth. B. Root development. C. Shoot elongation. D. Flowering. B. Root development. Okay. The first sign of the germination is development of the root, or this root is radicle. Okay. Which anchors the seedling and allow it to access water and nutrients from the soil. 58. What does water do for the germinating seed? A. Protects the seed from pests. B. Activates enzymes for food breakdown. C. Helps in the production of chlorophyll. D. Increases light absorption. B. Activates enzymes for food breakdown. Okay. Water helps activate enzymes that break down the stored food in the seed, which provides energy for the growth or the growing of the embryo. 59. What is the role of the oxygen in the seed germination? A. It is necessary for photosynthesis. B. It helps to break down the seed coat. C. It increases the seed's water absorption rate. D. It helps in the process of respiration to release energy for growth. D. It helps the process of respiration to release energy for the growth. Okay. So oxygen is required for the aerobic respiration, which provides the energy necessary for the embryo to grow during germination. 60. Which pigment is primarily responsible for the absorbing sunlight in the plants? A. Carotene, chlorophyll, xanthophyll, hemoglobin. B. Chlorophyll. So chlorophyll is primary pigment in the plant that absorbs light energy, especially in the blue and red wavelengths, which are essential for photosynthesis. Okay, this is the end of part 2. ፓርት 3 4 and 5 በሚቀጥለው ይዘን እንቀርባለን። እስካሁን ባሉ ጥያቄዎች ዙሪያ አስተያየት ካለ ኮሜንት ላይ ጻፉልን። ባዮሎጂ ብቻ ሳይሆን ሌሎች የትምህርት አይነቶችንም እንደዚሁ ከ9ኛ እስከ 12ኛ ክፍል ለኢንትራንስ ኤግዛም እንዲሁም ደግሞ ለክፍላቸው የፈተና ዝግጅት በርካታ ጥያቄዎችና ቱቶሪያሎችን እያዘጋጀን እንገኛለን። ሁሉንም እዚህ የዩቲዩብ ቻናል ላይ ማግኘት ትችላላችሁ። አጋዥ መጽሐፍ አዘጋጅተናል። አጋዥ መጽሐፉ በፒዲኤፍ የተዘጋጀ ነው። ጥያቄዎችን ከነመልስና ማብራሪያ ጋር የያዘ መጽሐፍ። ይህን መጽሐፍ በሶፍት ኮፒ ወይም በፒዲኤፍ ማግኘት ከፈለጋችሁ እዚህ ጋር በተቀመጡ አድራሻዎች ጻፉልን። ለዚህ የዩቲዩብ ቻናል አዲስ ከሆናችሁና ሰብስክራይብ ካላደረጋችሁ ሰብስክራይብ እያደረጋችሁ ቤተሰብ ሆኑ። አብረን እንቀጥላለን። በሚቀጥለው በሌላ ቶፒክ እስከምንገናኝ ሰላም ሁኑ።